The fighter from the red corner, ladies and gentlemen, Jonil Jojo Lastimosa.
Lastimosa, 18 years old, 51 kilograms, 50 pounds, at 5.5. 15 wins, 5 losses.
Ito match na match to. Kasi isang taon lang pagitan of 17 and 18 years old.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, representing Hardstone Mones Boxing Gym of Bangag, La Union, owned by your very own Art Mones. Ladies and gentlemen, Cyrus the Nightmare Gabina. And is upon to cross the ring, fighting out of the red corner, representing Fight Zone Boxing Gym, Taguig City, Jonil Lastimosa. 3 rounds, 2 minutes each round, and 1 minute interval.
Alright, ito, another Lastimosa, partner. Yes, magkapatid ang dalawa, partner.
Isa na namang Lastimosa, partner. Napakaraming Lastimosa. Nice talking, partner Alvin. Ang ganda ng sinabi mo. Na-appreciate ko yun.
Hirap lang bawal magmura sa live, eh, no?
Subukan mo. Elordi TV, shoutout. Ito na po. Round 1. Ito na.
Number 1 between
Daniel Bernardo and, Gabina versus Jonil Lastimosa.
Lastimosa from red corner.
Very strong right hook yun.
Southpaw, and itong...
Mga advanced na ba to? Or intermediate?
Nasa
Advance pero
na tayo,
siningit
partner.
sa intermediate kasi may biyahe pa daw yung Gabina.
Yes.
Panggabi.
Oh!
Another.
Oy! Oy!
Grabe. Wow,
Grabe.
dig into the body. Palaban din itong si Gabina, partner. Bumabalik din. Ganda ng laban.
Oh!
Another. Wow. What a nice straight.
1-2 combination by Lastimosa.
Sa lubong dito ang street ni Lastimosa, partner. Medyo nahilo dito si tingnan natin.
Konti lang ang galaw ng Lastimosa, no? Pero hahatawin ka ng isang ng kombinasyon na naman.
What a nice combination coming to Lastimosa. Pero Cyrus Gabina, this is my
Last 10 seconds.
last 10 seconds. Oh,
Nakatama din yung Gabina doon. Yung kanan. Hinulog lang.
ay.
End of first round. So far, that was dominated by Lastimosa.
Oh, pero nakatama yung Gabina nung last minute nung ano.
Alam mo kung bakit?
Oh.
Gabi na eh. Kung araw na, baka hindi siya nakatama. Gabi na.
Napahawak si Sir Art sa sa table,
Yes.
eh.
Gabina. Cyrus,
Oh.
Cyrus.
Heavy-handed talaga eh. Heavy-handed yung Lastimosa. Hindi nyo kailangan na mag side-to-side movement to at kumuha ng start of round number 2.
Round number 2, partner.
Seconds
Tingnan natin
out.
kung ano magiging
Relax,
last
guys.
game.
Relax. 10 seconds pa.
Relax.
Relax.
5 seconds. Go.
Second round.
Tingnan natin kung makaka-adjust yung Gabina din sa second round. Oh, what a body
nice.
blow.
Grabe namang mga
Yung dalawang
binabato yan.
kanan, pumasok kay Lastimosa.
Uy, tumama yung gabi na doon. Uy, pero... End of the bout. Oh,
What?
can we call the doctor?
Grabing upper yun, partner. Quick
Doctor,
upper.
please, doctor.
Quick upper, partner. Hindi nakita ni Gabina.
Actually, siya ang unang nakatama.
Yes.
Nakatama siya. Binalikan siya ng
Oo.
dalawa eh.
What a nice fight. Congratulations.
Congratulations kay Jorel Lastimosa.
Veteran fighter to, partner, from Misamis. Usamis ba? Or Usamis, yeah. Usamis.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 1 minute of the second round, we have a winner by RSCO Rubber stops the contest. Jonel Lastimosa from Fight Zone Boxing Gym of Taguig City.
Congratulations.
Jorel Lastimosa.